Welcome to Avonpark Retirement Village. Set in North Wiltshire, overlooking the Avon Valley. As we reach the bottom of the approach drive, we have a decision to make. Left or right? Let's go left. At the bottom of the slope, we meet the reception area of Alexander Hall with the lounge, the bar and the bistro. On the right, we pass Alexander Heights with its 22 apartments, while on the left there is Fountain Place, the old nursing home which is due to be demolished. The main restaurant is on the right. At the eastern end of the main road, we find Deanery Walk on the right and the approach to Avon Heights and Kingfisher Court in front of us. Here's another decision to make: left to Kingfisher Court or right to Avon Heights. Avon Heights is a collection of 8 three-bedroomed houses. Making our way down, we can turn right to visit Kingfisher Court, which houses 24 studio and 2-bedroom apartments and 2 communal meeting rooms. We need to retrace our steps to visit Deanery Walk. We will revisit this little alleyway in a few minutes' time. Deanery Walk contains 29 1- or 2-bedroom apartments. At the far eastern end of the village, we find the allotments. But it is time we retraced our steps and explored that little alleyway. This pergola divides the 2 croquet lawns. Before we begin to explore the patio and the beautiful gardens, we need to visit the other end of the village. These are the apartments of Alexander Place, with their wonderful views over the Avon Valley. But let's return to the patio and the many gardens of the ground floor apartments. Leaving the two croquet lawns and topiary on our left, we can begin to explore the individual gardens of the ground floor apartments of Deanery Walk. If you are enjoying this video, please consider hitting the like button or even subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything and it encourages me to make more of these videos. This tour ends back at the patio where some of the residents are enjoying an early summer's evening conversation.